10 natural ways to whiten teeth at home. Have you ever caught yourself hiding your smile in photos? Or maybe you've been eyeing those pricey teeth whitening treatments at the dentist's office? Today, we're going to explore surprising ingredients that might just change your smile game. Well, what if I told you that you could brighten your smile right from the comfort of your own home? Today, we're diving into some amazing home remedies that can help you achieve a whiter, brighter smile. So, grab your toothbrush and let's get started. Do not forget to check out the latest dental superfood in the description box. Number 1. Turmeric. Let's kick things off with a spice that's probably sitting in your kitchen right now, turmeric. Yes, that yellow powder that stains everything it touches can actually help whiten your teeth. Sounds crazy, right? But it's true. In India, turmeric has been used for centuries not just for cooking, but for healing and cleansing too. Here's how you can use it. Mix half a teaspoon of turmeric powder with a few drops of water. This will form a thick paste that you can apply to your toothbrush. Gently brush your teeth with this paste for about 2 minutes, then rinse thoroughly. You can do this 2-3 times a week for best results. But wait, there's more. You can also mix turmeric with coconut oil for an extra boost. Coconut oil contains lauric acid, which is great for killing bacteria in your mouth. Just swish this mixture around in your mouth for 5-10 minutes. It's like a spa day for your teeth. Number 2. Oil pulling. Now, let's talk about oil pulling that has been gaining popularity. This method involves swishing oil around in your mouth for about 10-15 minutes. You can use coconut, sesame, or sunflower oil for this. It might feel a bit weird at first, but stick with it. Oil pulling helps reduce plaque and remove toxins from your mouth. Over time, this can lead to brighter, healthier-looking teeth. Just remember to spit the oil out when you're done and rinse with warm water. Number 3. Activated charcoal. Yes, that black powder you've seen in face masks can also help whiten your teeth. To use it, just dip a wet toothbrush into some activated charcoal powder and brush gently. The charcoal works by absorbing stains and toxins from your teeth. But be careful not to use this method too often, as it can be a bit abrasive. Number 4. Apple cider vinegar. Let's move on to something you might have in your pantry, apple cider vinegar. This tangy liquid can act as a mild bleaching agent for your teeth. To use it, mix 1 part apple cider vinegar with 3 parts of water. Swish this mixture around in your mouth for about 30 seconds, then rinse well with water. But here's a word of caution: don't overdo it with the vinegar. It's acidic and can erode your enamel if used too often. No. 5. Strawberries and baking soda. Now, who's ready for a tasty teeth whitening treat? Grab some strawberries and baking soda from your kitchen. Mash up a ripe strawberry and mix it with a small amount of baking soda. Apply this mixture to your teeth and let it sit for about 5 minutes. Then brush your teeth and rinse well. The malic acid in strawberries can help remove discoloration from your teeth, but again, don't use this method too often as acids can weaken your enamel over time. Check out the latest dental superfood in the description box. Number 6. Crunchy fruits and vegetables. Here's a simple tip that you can incorporate into your daily routine: eat crunchy fruits and vegetables. Foods like apples, celery, and carrots act like natural toothbrushes. They help scrub away surface stains as you chew. Plus, they stimulate saliva production, which helps clean your teeth naturally. It's like nature's own teeth cleaning system. Number 7. Baking soda and hydrogen peroxide. Let's talk about a classic combination: baking soda and hydrogen peroxide. Mix a small amount of hydrogen peroxide with baking soda to form a paste. Brush your teeth with this mixture for 1-2 minutes. This combo is great for removing surface stains and killing bacteria. But remember, this isn't something you should do every day. Using it too often could damage your enamel. Number 8. Lemon or orange peels. After you've enjoyed your citrus fruit, don't throw away the peel. Rub the inside of the peel on your teeth for a few minutes, then rinse your mouth. The compounds in citrus peels may help brighten your teeth. Just make sure to rinse thoroughly afterward to remove any acidic residue. Number 9. Lemon juice and water. If you're feeling adventurous, you can try a lemon juice and water mixture. Mix equal parts lemon juice and water. You can either brush with this mixture or leave it on as a mask for up to 10 minutes. Repeat this 1-2 times per week. The citric acid in lemon juice can help whiten your teeth, but remember to use it sparingly. Number 10. Good oral hygiene practices. Now, let's not forget the basics of good oral hygiene. Brush your teeth twice a day with fluoride toothpaste. Don't skip the flossing, it helps remove plaque between your teeth. And consider using a whitening toothpaste with gentle abrasives. These simple habits can go a long way in keeping your smile bright. Here are some general tips to also keep in mind. Try to avoid foods and drinks that can stain your teeth, like coffee, tea, and red wine. If you do indulge, rinse your mouth with water afterward. This can help prevent stains from setting in. And most importantly, always consult with your dentist before trying any new whitening method. This is especially important if you have sensitive teeth or gum issues. Remember, these home remedies work best for mild surface stains. They won't replace professional treatments for deep discoloration. But they can definitely help you maintain a brighter smile between dentist visits. And there you have it, folks. 10 amazing home remedies to help you achieve a brighter, whiter smile. Which one are you excited to try first? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Until next time, keep smiling and stay beautiful.